Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. That's all. Let me tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Done. Let me close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connections. And here we can turn on or off Bluetooth. Let me turn on Bluetooth. Then tap on this Bluetooth label. Tap here. Now phone is searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Let me try to connect this OnePlus earbuds. Open the lid. Next I am going to put this device in pairing mode. Here you can see one button. Press and hold this button. Now this light is flashing. That means now this device is in pairing mode. Let me again scan. Tap on the scan. Here you can see OnePlus Buds 4. That is the name of this device. Tap here. Tap on pair. Done. See it's connected. See the status connected for calls on audio. 100% battery remaining. Tap on the settings icon. Here you can see more options. We can enable or disable calls and audio. We can also change audio device type here. Go back. From here we can rename, disconnect or unpair. Let me go back. So if you want to temporarily disconnect, you can just tap here and temporarily disconnect. Later if you want to reconnect, again tap here and reconnect. So this way we can reset all Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.